Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and a rather splendid trio dating from the period 1926 through to at the very latest on this factory mark 1948, but I suspect this set is late 1920s, manufactured by Doric China. It's absolutely typical of the Imari style of porcelain china they were producing at Longton during this period. I particularly like this set. The colour palette and the tones that they've used, the decorators, are absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look at this teacup, see if I can get a focus on it for you. The amount of detailing that they've put both on the outer wall of this beautifully shaped teacup, but also just look at the inner wall decoration all the way down almost to the base. Beautifully hand coloured. This is a sort of umber brown transfer print that's been applied, and then the decorators have come in with 5 tones: a green, a blue, cobalt blue, almost black, a red and a yellow, and it's just such a warm and full colour decoration. It's beautiful. Nice pedestal footed, typical little teacup of the period. The flying orb Doric China mark, Longton, made in England, and bone china on the top. Not a patent name on this particular one. They were probably making multiple versions of this in different colour combinations, and sometimes the transfer background print would be a different colour. Let's have a look at the side plate. Sorry, the saucer plate, 5.5 inches. Again, beautifully decorated, central well, little glaze inclusions and bubbles, typical of bone china of this period. Little bit of pattern transfer on the base and some brush marks left over by the decorators when they've just been shaping the brush. And the side plate, I think 6.25 inch from memory. Again, bone china, beautiful condition. It's just a lovely colour combination on this one, again with matching china marks. Beautiful sets. Increasingly rare to find something with that much shine on the glaze that's coming up for just about antique. 1926. I think this is probably, as I said, late 1920s in terms of its production. Gorgeous trios, very striking. Collectors are going to love these. To find them in such good glaze condition is extremely rare. Got the remnants of the gilt. Everything pattern-wise is just right for something, and a lover of the Imari style will really enjoy using these. Beautiful sets available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We're going to put a link description in the description below, which will take you through to that website listing for these trios, and we hope to have a product graphic link as well in the YouTube system, so we'll create those for you. Thanks for watching.